Today, I will be lightening my hair using Begin's Lightener. This process is super easy if you're a beginner. I've used Begin's Lightener in the past and had amazing results. I decided to lighten my roots and I was amazed by the outcome. I started off with Begin's Cream Developer Volume 20, Begin's Powder Lightener Level 8, Begin Shampoo and Conditioner, and Deep Conditioner for the tips of my hair. Use 1 cup of Begin Powder Lightener to 2 cups Begin Cream Developer Volume 20. Mix in the cream developer and powder lightener until there are no chunks and product is able to have a liquid consistency. Make sure to follow instructions on the back of the products to make sure that everything turns out perfectly. Continue to keep mixing, don't give up. Brush out your hair so that lightener is applied evenly. I used Begin's leave-in conditioner on the tips of my hair that were already lightened because I didn't want the lightener that I was putting on my roots to touch the lightener at the end of my hair because you want to make sure that the hair stays healthy. I was using a mirror to look at the back of my hair to make sure that all pieces was covered in lightener. If you are not able to do this part on your own, you are more than welcome to invite a friend to help you do this part because it is very difficult if you have not lightened your hair on your own already. So I would definitely recommend getting a friend or a family member to do the back of your hair for you. I placed my hair into 4 sections, and in those 4 sections, I broke those sections up into smaller pieces because my hair is thicker than most. This helps cover all sections and make sure that all hair is covered in lightener. As you see, I did stop right at the line where the hair that was already lightened, and those parts, remember, have leave-in conditioner on them, so therefore it will not take to the new lightener being applied. Remember to wipe off any lightener that is placed on the skin with a warm cloth, so therefore irritation will not happen. Each section took about 40 minutes and I split my hair into 4 sections to make it easier. I used Begin shampoo for this look. Wow, let's get into this look. At this point, I was feeling myself. I did use a flat iron. The curls came out perfectly. My hair is lightened at the roots and it has that darker look that I was going for at the ends. I am amazed, I am happy, and I can't wait to do another tutorial on my hair with flexi rods. Please stay tuned, follow all the directions, and pause and go back if needed. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.